Knowledge is power to supersize your business. Or is it? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today is knowledge is power. This is an idiom that dates back to Sir Francis Bacon in 1597. It's also credited to Thomas Jefferson. He's known to have used it on more than 4 occasions, at least in print. So, knowledge is power. Do you believe that knowledge is power? Do you believe that knowledge is connected to success? Share in the comments below, because I would love to know. Knowledge, I'm a lifelong learner, so I'm a firm believer in continuous improvement and constant study and learning throughout the course of our life and continually improving and getting better and better and better at our skill, at our trade, at life in general. But that doesn't mean that everybody agrees with that, right? Knowledge is power, and in certain situations, I personally believe that applied knowledge is power. Wisdom is more power. If we know when to apply that knowledge, that means that we're wise. So that leads me to today's little fun activity, and that's a little quiz on the 11 signs of intelligence. Now, I was looking online and I found this little list of 11 signs of intelligence, and I thought, I wonder how I stack up with these. And that's why I decided to ask you the same question. I'm going to share the 11 signs of intelligence, and you ask yourself, and if you're brave, share in the comments below how many you have. Again, not my list, but it's a pretty good list. So I will go through it, and I will actually be brave enough to share mine in the comments below. So you're empathetic, number 1. Number 2, you value solitude. Number 3, you have a strong sense of yourself, you know yourself pretty well. Number 4, you always want to know more, you're curious. Number 5, you observe and remember. Number 6, you have a good body memory. Number 7, you can handle the challenges that life tosses at you. The things that come your way, you can handle them. Number 7, you have a knack for keeping the peace. Number 8, I think I'm on 9. You tend to worry about things. Now, you're not a worrywart, but you do have concern and consideration and worry about things. Number 10, you're good at managing your emotions. You have emotional intelligence. And number 11, you have a pet, or you've had a pet. Maybe you don't currently have a pet, but you've had a pet in the past. So of those 11, how many do you do? I'm curious. Share in the comments below. Also share your thoughts on knowledge being power. Is that power? Does that lead to success in your business and growing and supersizing your business? It's a lot of ways that it does in my mind. So I'd love to know how you think it helps your business. I say by studying the competition, researching, making wise decisions, understanding strategy, having your own frameworks, knowing who you serve, yada, yada, yada. A lot of the things we talked about yesterday. So that's our fun little challenge for today. Knowledge is power. And how many signs of intelligence do you have? Share in the comments below. Any idioms you would love to know the meaning of, the origin of, where they come from, what they mean, how you can use them in your business, and maybe even in your life, ask in the comments below. Otherwise, I will surprise you with another one tomorrow, and maybe even another funky quiz, so that we can share information about one another and about ourselves as we learn how to grow and supersize our business. Have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow. Bye.